Hey friends, Kevin Ostie here at the V8 Speed and Resto Shop. I wanted to show you kind of a preview of a super cool car we're building. Let's take a closer look at what's going into this Trans Am. So this one is 100% built to drive. It's a 1978 Pontiac Trans Am. 480 some odd horsepower LS3 and also a Detroit Speed subframe so that it'll handle really well. Car came back from the blaster super clean. Doesn't have any of the typical rust that these second gens have. The floors were super nice, which means we could really just start getting into test fitting that subframe and the 6-speed manual. But one of the cooler things on this is the rear suspension. So we're doing a complete independent rear on this. This is a Heights independent rear suspension. These have a cradle that bolts up between the factory frame rails. And as you can see, there's a lot going on here. The center section, we're looking at the back of the housing. This is actually a Ford 9-inch style center. Very strong, lots of gear sets available for it. And you've got your lower control arms and then the upper, and then this link in the back that allows you to adjust tow and keeps this thing, this rear spindle alignment, doing what you want it to do with regards to camber and tow as you go around turns. Of course, rear disc brakes, coilover suspension. In front, might be able to see that 9-inch center up there again here. And it's all pretty beefy stuff. There's a lot going on back here. And in order to design this to have proper suspension geometry, they packaged a lot in a small spot. So we're really looking forward to putting this car together and driving it. We'll post more updates and a full build video series on this car as soon as we get it a little bit further down the road. But if you have any questions about it, feel free to hit us up in the comments, or you can always contact us at v8speedshop.com to talk about your ideas for something super cool like that. Or maybe like that.